So I'm going to solve by completing the square. So I have x squared minus 10x minus 8. My first step is I want everything without an x to the other side. So I'm going to add 8 to both sides. And so I get x squared minus 10x plus something equals, oops, a little bit more space, equals 8 plus something. So now I need to figure out what I want to put in the missing space. And so I want to find out what b, I want to find that. And so how I use that, the first thing I do is I use find b, which is negative 10, because it's my linear term. Then I do b over 2, which is negative 10 over 2, which is negative 5. And then I do b over 2 squared, which is negative 5 squared, which is 25. Okay? And so that means I need to add 25 to both sides. Now, I factor this side by saying x minus, because it's negative 5b over 2 squared equals 8 plus 25. 8 plus 25. 8 plus 5 is 13 is 33. Boom, boom. Okay. Next step, take the square root of both sides. Okay, this cancels that. And so I get x minus 5 equals plus or minus the square root of 33. I then add 5 to both sides. Okay, so once I've done that, I then get x equals 5 plus or minus the square root of 33. Boom, boom. And that is how I solve using completing the square.